I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open the document and inspect where the gap appears between lines or paragraphs. Look for extra white space before or after paragraphs and between sections. Press Ctrl+A to select the entire document and preserve consistent spacing settings. Check the ribbon under Home and Layout for spacing controls. Determine whether the gap is caused by paragraph spacing, line spacing, page breaks, or table cell margins. Identifying the exact cause helps choose the correct fix and prevents accidental layout changes. Open the paragraph dialog from the Home ribbon by clicking the small arrow in Paragraph. Use the before and after fields to set spacing to 0 pt when extra space appears. Set line spacing to single or exactly 12 pt to control interline gaps precisely. Check the box labeled Don't Add Space between paragraphs of the same style to avoid automatic extra spacing. Apply changes to the selected text or the whole document after pressing OK to update layout instantly. Turn on Show /Hide Non-Printing Characters to locate manual page and section breaks. Select any page break and press Delete to remove unintended gaps between pages. In Layout Options, disable Widow and Orphan Control if single lines create visual gaps on pages. For tables, right-click and choose Table Properties, then adjust cell margins to 0, 0.8 inches or specific values to eliminate visible gaps. Finally, preview in Print Layout to confirm the gap is fixed across the document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.